everyone, this is my car and there are many motorcycles. They are too fast and there are still so many cars around the world, and there are buildings too, and buses are large road vehicles just like trucks, but cars are transportation too, but they are smaller. And look, this is the city where I go home. And finally, I ended this video when I am at my residence. And this is in my car, right on from my house. And I'm going home before with a train, but now with a car, because I am going home with a car now. And look, there's Domino's Pizza. And look, there are more cars in the street. And there are cars and even more cars around the world. There are even buildings. And look, there is a church. And look, this is Yellow Bee and this is Tangerang Square. And look, there's Gokana. And there's BNI, a bank. And we are going home. And look, there is also a building. And look, we are on the bridge. Have you ever seen a river like this? It's called Chisadena River. And look, there are trees. And look, there are more motorcycles here. And look, there are so many cars, motorcycles. And look, there's a dental clinic. And Bank Index, Joico, Inuak, and Wartig Solera. That means you can eat all you want there. And look, there's a garbage truck that looks like a dump truck. And we are going home. And look, there are tires. And look, there are forests. And look, electric car. And look, it's late. And it is 5:58 now. And look, there's a hospital. And there's another bank. And look, there's a minibus. Look, truck. Even a truck more. And look, another truck. And trucks are heavy-duty vehicles like construction vehicles and buses. And look, this is Alpha Midi. And look, there is BRI, another bank from Indonesia. This is our country, Indonesia. And this is our planet Earth. And look, there is AKI. And look, IKI is a building. And look, there is Agrovatio, Suzuki motorcycles, Shimizu, and Mitsubishi. Often Larita was bakery shop. And look, there's a bus. Out. And look, there's another bank. And look, there is a hotel. And look, there's a truck. A car. And there are too many motorcycles. And here we are. It's 6 o'clock now because it is 6 p.m. and now we are reaching my destination, but not yet because this is my residence. We finally reached my residence. And we are still driving in a car. And look, this is my residence. And there are trees. And there are also buildings like houses. And look, there is another house. And there are so many houses here. And we are finally going to eat when we reach home. And look, this is at night. And look, this is Almondo. And this is the resident again. And look, there's a pickup truck. And an SUV. And a football goal. If you like my videos, like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.